Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these.
Want to impress your mother for Mother's Day? You guys gotta make my simple, quick, effortless, restaurant style, luxurious, not to mention very affordable 40 cloves of garlic chicken. And it just involves 3 ingredients. Yes, 3 ingredients. All right guys, let's get started. We have about 8 chicken thighs here. You can certainly use chicken breast or whole chicken, 40 cloves of garlic, and a stick of unsalted butter. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Alright, we're gonna brown our chicken here on medium-high heat. Add your cast iron skillet, some oil. Brown your chicken with the skin side on. Season with salt and pepper. This takes about 5 minutes. You might want to do this in batches. Don't forget the chicken juice. Add your garlic, your butter. Then we're going to finish the cooking in the oven. This will take about 45 minutes. Look at that, guys. You hear that sizzle? Sounds good to me. Alright guys, I have my 40 cloves of garlic chicken here. Alright, I actually paired it with some rice. You can actually put some maybe mashed potatoes, noodles, any carb you like. Oh man, I'm so excited to try this. I'm gonna try some of this garlic. Hi guys. Melt in your mouth. Here we go. Perfectly cooked. Look at that skin, guys. Man. So simple, yet elegant, luxurious, garlicky. You guys gotta make this night. It doesn't have to be Mother's Day. Just make it for yourself. Bring it on date night. Whatever rocks your boat. Yeah. Alright guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification to see my next video. Have a happy Mother's Day, and thank you so much to all the mothers in the world. You guys rock. Alright, happy Mother's Day guys, and I will distract you next time. Alright, bye guys. That's all I need.